Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Wealth Concept 365. In this video, we are going to see how to install antivirus in Windows 11 step by step. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications of all the upcoming videos. Now let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step, open up your Windows settings over here and click on Update and Security. After that, click on Windows Security. So I will click on the Restart Now button and after the restart, and now you can see that Windows Defender is being used in our computer as an antivirus. I will open up my Windows settings again and click on Apps. Over here, click on Installed Apps. After uninstalling Avast, I will again go to Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. And again, I will click on Download and Install Protection. Now search for Avast in the search box and select Avast Free Antivirus. Click on the burger menu and click on Uninstall. As you can see, there is an option called Keep Some Avast Programs. I will select it and click on Continue. Now it will start uninstalling Avast from your computer. After that, you will be directed to this page where you have to click on Virus and Threat Protection. As you can see, there is an option called Download and Install Protection. Click on it. Here you will see that Windows Defender is being used as an antivirus in your computer. You can use it if you want. Otherwise, you can use other antiviruses like Bitdefender, Kaspersky, Norton, Avast, and many more. In this video, we are going to install Avast Antivirus in our computer. So I will click on the Browse button and select the executable file of Avast which I have downloaded from the official website of Avast. Then click on Open. Now it will start extracting the files and it may take some time depending on your internet connection. And please share this video with your friends and family members. After the installation completes, you have to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. See you soon in the next video. If you have any doubts or queries, then please comment down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. So these are the steps to install antivirus in Windows 11. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe.